Today we're going to go over 3 tips to help your split squat. The first will be foot position and placement, the second will be your posture, and the third will be the difference between having a hip hinge versus staying more upright in the movement. So let's go over the first one, the foot position. You want to make sure that your front foot isn't too close to your back foot, because then your back foot would feel like the knee is going to hit the ankle. So if you see when I come back a little bit too far, my knee is coming too close to the ankle. I don't really have any range to move here. And if I step too far forward, then I'm overstretching, and then it becomes very easy to pull a muscle. It could be your back quad, hip flexor. So you just want to make sure that you're in a comfortable stance and that you have room between your back knee and your front ankle. So for myself, this seems like a comfortable position. Number 2, posture. Just like any movement, we want to make sure that our shoulder blades are back and down. We don't want to be rolling forward on the way down. There's high risk of injury. So you want to keep your shoulders back and down. Whether you're holding the weight here, here, or here, we don't want to allow this to happen with the T-spine. Third thing is we want to differentiate the movement of the hip hinge versus staying more upright. So if I'm going more upright, that's fine. I'm just going to be focusing more on the quads. Whereas if I'm adding a bit of a hinge, there's going to be more emphasis on activation in the hamstrings and the glutes. So it really is up to you to decide which one you're doing, again, depending on what your goals are for the movement. I hope that those 3 things help you out with perfecting your split squat.